So today we have the Godox WEC Kit 1, a wireless microphone just like the DJI microphones that are on the market currently. And if I should quote some other ones, which I can't do right now, don't remember their names, but we'll be unboxing this product and telling you what we get inside. Now pretty much I bought the Kit 1 version, which comes with just one receiver and one transmitter. It comes with this traveling case, which is nice. It also comes with a dead cat and a TRS cable and some other cables. They're pretty much similar cables like every other microphone will come with. If you want to tell you exactly, it comes with a 35mm TRS to TRRS audio cable, a 35mm TRS to TRS audio cable, a USB Type A to USB-C data cable. That's pretty much what comes inside here. And then, you know, that 40 windscreen muff that comes on every microphone, that comes with it as well. But that's it for what's in the box. And I just wanted to show you guys exactly what they look like and if they are, you know, nice looking. They are pretty light in weight and they feel nice in the hand. I've never owned any DJI microphones or any wireless microphones, so I don't know how those feel compared to this one, but I will give you my honest review of what this product is like once start using it. So please stay tuned for more videos for this exact follow-up video, just to test everything about this specific product. But I also want to say thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more. See you guys. Peace.